In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link your Etsy shop to Pinterest so you can share your Etsy products on Pinterest. So what you first need to do is go to etsy.com, log into your store, and then head over to your shop manager. And then once you're in your shop manager, you want to then go to marketing. And then once you're on marketing, go to social media. Here you can go ahead and connect a social account. Now, if this window doesn't pop up automatically, go to social accounts in the top right hand corner and then click here where it says connect to Pinterest. That will then load up this window here where it's going to prompt us to give access. So we're going to give Pinterest access to our Etsy store. Now, it is important to note here that you are going to have to be logged into Pinterest to connect it that fast. If you're not logged in, obviously it's going to ask you to sign in. Once you've got it connected, you can then go to create post and you can then create a blank post, or if there's some recommended ones, you can choose them. You can then add a caption and an image. Once you've done that, click next and go ahead and select where you want to post it, which is in this case is going to be Pinterest. You can then choose a board, so maybe you've already created some boards. You can also create a new one on Pinterest. Once you've done that, you can just go ahead and post and continue, and that will post to your Pinterest profile. I obviously don't want to post this because it's just for a video, but that's how you would do it.